In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView password. Keeping your account secure starts with a strong, up-to-date password, and the process to change it on TradingView is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step and add a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open TradingView and look to the top left of the screen. Click on your profile icon. When the menu appears, hover your cursor over your username to reveal more options. Then select Settings and Billing. This takes you into the area where you manage your account preferences and security. Once you're in, head to the Account Settings tab. You'll see several sections here related to your profile and billing, but Account Settings is the one dedicated to your core account details and sign-in information. Inside Account Settings, find and click the Change Password button. This opens the form you need to update your credentials. TradingView asks for your current password first to verify it's really you making the change. Type your current password carefully, then enter your new password, and finally confirm the new password by typing it again exactly the same. When choosing your new password, pick something strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using anything easy to guess, like common words or personal dates. Reusing passwords from other sites is risky, so make this one distinct. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and store a secure option, and you may see a prompt to update your saved password after you change it. Before you proceed, double-check for typos, especially in the confirmation field. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and that both new password entries match exactly. If they don't, TradingView will let you know so you can correct it. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. From this point on, your new password will be the one you use to sign in. If you're logged in on other devices, some sessions might ask you to sign in again, which is normal after a password change. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile icon, went into Settings and Billing, opened the Account Settings tab, selected Change Password, entered your current and new passwords, and saved your changes. Take a moment to remember or securely store your new password, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.